On a flat floor or stable surface, unzip and remove Pronex written instructions from travel bag. Remove gray flexion wedge and slide it to one side. Now remove and place Pronex on the floor and remove the head strap. Carefully read instructions, as many of the details will help in proper use of the product to reach maximum effectiveness. Make sure to remove all jewelry, such as earrings and necklaces, and that long hair is pulled back to ensure balanced traction without obstructions. Notice there is a headpiece and a shoulder piece. Both are designed to fit to a patient comfortably. Lying on one side and using one arm to support your neck and head, roll back and lay your head into the Pronex, keeping your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. You should always use this position. Now, apply the forehead strap fastening to the Velcro from one side to the other. Pronex uses a simple pneumatic bulb to inflate the bellows. To close the airway, turn the chrome valve clockwise. To release the airway, turn the valve counterclockwise. Remember to close the chrome valve on the pneumatic bulb before administering traction. With the valve closed clockwise, begin inflating the unit until you feel a gradual stretch. This cervical stretch will relax the muscles. After muscles have relaxed, continue inflating Pronex and repeat the process each time, allowing your muscles to relax. It is important to close your eyes during treatment and keep in mind that relaxation plays a key role in the effectiveness of successful cervical traction therapy. At any time, Pronex can be deflated and you can readjust your positioning. Continue with your traction session for the amount of time prescribed by your doctor. A typical session lasts between 10 to 20 minutes. After you are finished with your session, release the chrome valve counterclockwise and let the air fully deflate from Pronex. This allows you a few moments to let your neck and head readjust to avoid head rushes or uncomfortable dizziness from occurring. Now, remove the head strap from the Velcro on one side and then the other. Using one hand to support the head and neck, roll out of the unit to one side, freeing yourself from the Pronex area. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the Pronex pneumatic cervical traction therapy.